You have like this look like
you're walking away from the lead-in?
Yeah. It's the first episode besides the car one. Hey,
Today's our first episode of the month, and we're making something pretty tasty.
You're gonna want to drink
and
it.
Approves.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek, we're all here, and we're gonna make a drink. Ha! I did something different.
A good one.
Yeah. That we're
Not in a car.
Most of the drinks for the next 7 weeks or so are probably gonna be Amaro based, kind of like bitters. Not all of them, but
Most of them.
a good point. A lot. So we're gonna be doing this build in. The recipe says you have to drink it immediately. No, I mean
immediately.
you have to build it immediately. So
enjoy immediately. Enjoy
immediately as fast as you can. It's an ounce and a half of Amaro Nonino, an ounce and a half of bourbon. You're done. Luxardo cherry and lemon twist.
It's
so
an Amaro
that's it.
Manhattan.
It's an Amaro Manhattan with Amaro Nonino. And a couple of the drinks, I think most of the Amaros I have, one Helena Verna, which I hope I still have. Yeah. And a lot of them were Amaro Nonino. And the thing is, besides the paper plane and like one other drink, we apparently have been using it. There was one drink that we consumed.
It's really good though.
Yeah.
Like,
but I just didn't have enough
just to drink by itself is actually really good.
I don't drink Amaro by itself. That's like way too pinky up for me.
It's good.
I don't think I could do that.
You do a little Amaro spritz.
Oh yeah. I can see that.
It's good.
But I don't know. I don't even know where I can get. Can you buy this at Total Wine?
Yeah. It's because you can't get it in New Hampshire. No.
I got this because I sent the guys an email and I was like, "Can I have a bottle so I can make a paper airplane or for the show?" And they're like, "Sure." And they sent it to me. So that's the only reason I have a bottle.
It's really good though. This is probably one of the better. I like it. One of the better Amaros. Yeah.
And I just wanted more cocktails, and then I started doing like the Amaro search for different drinks. This, by the way, is from the speckledpalate.com. And
Speckled Palate.
And a lot of them were Amaro Nonino.
I think we even have to.
What?
Yeah, you said you gotta stir it.
Yeah, but it's taking you way too long. You need to enjoy immediately.
Enjoy that immediately.
Does that look good there?
Yeah. More immediately!
Oh, more immediately! No, I'll get it.
Well, he's all mad now because he made the thing and then it dropped in.
It's still warm.
Yeah, I know. You're supposed to stir it.
It's too immediate.
It's strong though. I guess when you're drinking, it's like what you'd expect out of the.
Sometimes a warm drink is okay because the flavors come up a little bit.
Oh, they come up. They come right up. They grab you by the nose hairs. They rip them right out.
Pretty damn tasty.
It is pretty tasty.
Oh, the Amaro Manhattan. That's my favorite.
And so the only difference is that when we did the Amaro Manhattans is we had a little bit of the cherry.
Well, there's no bitters.
Juice. Oh,
that's the only difference. There's no bitters.
There's a little bit of cherry.
Yeah.
So it's even faster.
Yeah. What did you do that lemon?
He twisted it.
No, but it's like it looks like an
alien
abduction came in and sort of like surgically removed the. That's just
beep beep.
And it's awkwardly accurate.
Right.
I don't know. So here's the thing. This is Knob Creek single barrel.
I know this is strong.
120
this is also
proof.
strong too.
So it's 120 proof bourbon, and for some reason that doesn't bother me.
Do you want to sweeten it up a little bit?
No. It's actually pretty sweet.
It's really good. The Amaro's good. Yeah.
I don't.
Because the sweetness comes through. Because like instead of a Manhattan where you'd have like bitters,
you'd have the sweet vermouth in the Manhattan to sweeten it up.
It's colder now.
Well, and the bitters kind of like.
But it almost tastes like silky. I guess that's what you do when you stir it, right?
But yeah.
I can never remember.
Am I losing it?
What?
There's bitters in a Manhattan.
Just sweet vermouth and rye.
I don't remember.
And a cherry? Or is there bitters?
No, and then mango.
Question: if anybody's in chat, is the chat moving? No, I don't know.
It is.
Is there anybody in the chat? Somebody tell.
Diana's talking.
Somebody's got to tell us. You got to feed us the information so that we look like we know what we're talking about. What we do is we say something we don't quite understand. We buy about 10 seconds of time, and then we read it.
There's bitters in Manhattan.
Are you asserting this without actually knowing what Ian's going to tell you?
Shit, I can't fucking remember.
There should be. It should be.
This is why we make drinks on a show and we're not bartenders.
Old-fashioned is sugar, bitters, and...
Yeah, that's old fashioned.
All classics have like sugar, bitters, spirit. So why wouldn't this? Because the sugar could be the sweet
Yeah,
vermouth.
there are bitters.
Yeah, there are. Okay.
Okay, are they
You
orange
guys
bitters?
make me like I'm crazy. No,
No,
they're
that's a Martinez.
They're yes.
See?
They're the
I'm
Angostura.
just trying to recoup. It's Martinez.
I'm like,
In a
is it
Boulevardier, there's no
old-fashioned?
bitters
Really?
because you're using
Free
Campari.
spirits. There's no, just like a Negroni,
so-
there's
oh.
no bitters because
Boulevardier is a Negroni.
Campari is
Yeah,
better.
you're
Yeah,
is that it?
yeah.
The 3 spirits and then no bitters.
in those
Yeah.
cases, yeah. And the Boulevardier is just a Negroni with this gin swap.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Huh. I knew that, but it was a long time ago, so I left my brain.
There's a lot of drinks out there. It's a lot to remember.
I know. So you guys should go to
That's good.
awesomedrinks.com. You can get yourself a mixing glass, which you don't
That's
need for
good
this
drink.
recipe, but you will need those glasses there. You can use coupon code
Maybe I'll start doing
AMARO.
that.
Save 20% off until December 15th, 2022.
Talking over the promo? Or just making these?
Both.
Okay.
There
Do,
you go.
do it again.
What?
Just read it down there. Click the link. Buy some shit.
This is our first drink of the night.
Hit
Yeah.
the like.
We're that well organized.
Oh no, we drank out of a car, but we're good.
Right.
Not in the car, like
Right.
out of a car.
You were here already.
Good point.
Yes.
Good point. Good point.
They were outside of the car.
So you know what? I'm gonna make. If I don't already have one, I'll make an Amaro playlist and put this in it, so it'll be on the sidebar over here with whiskey. So you can have whiskey playlist, Amaro playlist, all the things you need for fall, because fall's all about drinking potent things to warm up.
Do you want to know what? You're fucking making it awesome.
What, all these drinks? These
Yes.
awesome drinks?
It was just a statement. It's a statement that you couldn't refute and you didn't know what to say. You're just making it awesome. We're teaching you how to drink.